What up, Blockchain Nation? What up, YouTube? So if you're here to learn about Odyssey or LBRY, you've come to the right place, hopefully. So just going to do a quick run through of the platform, how it works, and the current challenges that Odyssey/LBRY is having. So what is LBRY? If you go to LBRY.com, it says LBRY does the publishing what Bitcoin did to money. Join top creators and more than 10 million people on LBRY, an open, free, and fair network for digital content. So you can download the LBRY app, which I have for macOS, or you can go to Odyssey, which is a browser that allows you to access content on the LBRY platform, which I will explain. But if you quickly go to this tech page, explains more about what LBRY is about. It's a free, open and community-run digital marketplace to build the future of content freedom. So I like it. It allows you to enjoy the latest content from your favorite creators as a user, not a product. So it is completely decentralized. It's not, it has a central authority like some other platforms, but this allows content creators to pretty much make money from their videos, and it's not a centralized platform. So if I quickly just show you this overview, this is the ecosystem. It's built in a blockchain. Talks about the different applications you can build, yada yada yada. And then there is a playground. It just shows the interactive examples of how the LBRY protocol works. So if this is your thing, for example, if you click on this video, it shows you how it works. This is the request, and then this is the response that comes back. But that might just bore some of us to death. So, two ways you can access the platform is through Odyssey. Odyssey is a web-based portal, as you can see, where you can watch some of your favorite content creators, or you can download the LBRY app, kind of like what I have done. So as you can see, it's either you use the app, which is this, that's an application that's running on my laptop, or you can just go to the browser right here, and then you can go to LBRY. So each way works. So for the sake of this, I'm just going to use the application that I have installed. As you can see, these are the creators that I subscribe to on LBRY. And yeah, it's cool. Even NASA has that's cool. So does Nomi Brockwell and a host of other people, which is nice. So, and the great Jordan Peterson as well. So I also have a channel here. The great thing is you can just click here and you can go to channels. You can have multiple channels on your account, which is cool. So you can manage all of them from a single place as a content creator. So I have one follower, yay! So interesting thing is, this is the great thing about LBRY. So you earn tokens. You earn tokens each time I'll just show you this real quick. For example, I uploaded a video, and the great thing about this is it's connected to my YouTube account. So as a content creator, if you have an Odyssey LBRY account, you can connect it to your YouTube channel. So each time you upload, unlike all the social media platforms, well, not all. Anytime I upload on, maybe I'll upload on Instagram, then I have to upload on YouTube, then I have to upload on Twitter. Well, from YouTube, you can also post on other platforms respectively. Same thing with LBRY. So anytime I post a video on YouTube, automatically it also posts on LBRY as well. And then I get tips each time I upload content on. So for all the videos I uploaded, as you can see, I'm rewarded with a little bit of LBRY tokens. So as you can see, I have up to 10 tokens. 6 are immediately suspendable, and the rest I can use to boost content. So that's nice. So unlike other platforms, I will mention the ones lest I get demonetized, whereby you have to do loads and loads and loads and loads and loads of get a certain amount of subscribers, then hopefully you get monetized through ads. But with LBRY, you're compensated by the economy in terms of each time you upload content, you get rewarded with LBRY tokens, and then you can use those tokens to boost your content. It's kind of like, I did a video recently or some time back on DTUBE. So DTUBE kind of has the same concept. So it's kind of like DTUBE, but it's really a build on top of what DTUBE is doing. In my opinion, the interface is much better, more interactive. There's a larger community. There are over 10 million influencers already, or creators using Odyssey, and you have great names like people like the great Jordan Peterson, and you have NASA, you have what's his name, Mike Maloney, and a host of other people on this platform, which is good. So I'll talk about one of the cons, is the fact that they are already being sued by the US government. The US government sues the centralized content platform LBRY over 11 million in token sales. So the argument is, if we go into details, the US Securities and Exchange Commission is pursuing yet another case of a blockchain company allegedly selling unregistered securities. So they're claiming that the tokens that LBRY is issuing are unregistered securities. According to this file on Monday, when was this file? What date was this? This was May 4th last year, 2020. It says this. According to the court documents, LBRY is being accused of selling millions of dollars worth of unregistered security to investors beginning in 2016. The securities regulator is seeking a permanent injunction against LBRY from selling further tokens, in addition to a disgorgement of ill-gotten gains plus prejudgment interest. So the SEC pretty much is coming after them. It says securities were sold in the form of LBRY credits, which were communicated to investors as being used to fund LBRY's business and build its product, according to the document. So it's just interesting how they have been sued, but LBRY is fighting back and saying, help us save crypto. If you see this article from LBRY, the SEC doesn't understand blockchain. The claims made in SEC versus LBRY will destroy the United States cryptocurrency industry. So this is interesting. It's interesting to see how this will end up. I know what you're saying. Are you going to support? Are you not going to support? Well, I will not comment on that. But pretty much, this is interesting how this can happen. But yeah, anyways, so back to the platform. I still like the platform. I think it's cool. You can see the different people that you're following, what's new, what's trending, the big hits. It's a really nice platform. And I like the fact that it has its own desktop version, which I can use on my laptop. I can download content if I want. I forget where that is. This is to upload. There's a place where I can, if there's anything I'm interested in that I would like to keep, I can download. Okay, I haven't downloaded anything from LBRY yet, so I can actually download from LBRY, which is great. What's that? Somebody just ping me. No. Okay. So yeah, these are the people that I'm following. So check out LBRY or check out Odyssey. It's a nice platform. Over 10 million influencers already and flowing and flying. Nah, I'm just rambling. Anyways, I think it's a cool platform. I think it'll be interesting to see if this will be a success. If you believe in this, then support the movement, educate to enlighten the SEC about what they're trying to do, and yeah, let's see how this goes. Let's see how this plays out. And that is all I have. So till next time, my wish for you is to learn more about blockchain technologies, because blockchain is changing and will change the world, and those who get involved early, in my personal opinion, will greatly impact the future. And if that's you, let's go change the world.